Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video we'll be solving one very interesting question from algebra. Here we have to prove that this expression equal to 18 over 25 if a plus b plus c equal to 0 and a, b, c are non-zero real numbers. So let's get it started. As we have a plus b plus c equal to 0, so we can think about one cubic equation whose roots are a, b and c. Then this is sum of roots. So I can write our equation as x cube plus sum of roots given to us is 0. So x square coefficient would be 0. So we can write only m times x plus n equal to 0. Here roots of this cubic equation, if I will write a, b and c. Now we can write two more equations. First one, sum of roots taken two at a time. So ab plus bc plus ca, this will be equal to m as per Vieta's rule. And product of roots a times b times c, this will be equal to minus d over a, minus constant over the leading coefficient. So minus n. So these two equations we will use little later. Now I can write one algebraic formula a plus b plus c whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Now we have a plus b plus c 0. So left hand side will be 0. RHS will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. This is M. So I will write here M. So the value of expression A square plus B square plus C square, this is equal to 2M. Let's say this is our equation number 1. Now I have to calculate A cube plus B cube plus C cube also. So I will consider our cubic equation and there we will plug in x equal to a, b and c as they are roots of the equation. So I can write our first equation by plugging x equal to a cube plus ma plus n equal to 0. By putting x equal to b, we'll be getting b cube plus mb plus n equal to 0. And by putting x equal to c, we will get c cube plus mc plus n equal to 0. Now we will add all the three equations. Let's add. So we will get a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus m is common. In the bracket we will write a plus b plus c and then we have 3 times n. RHS is 0. Now a plus b plus c is 0. So I can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus 3n equal to 0, or we can write the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is minus 3n. Let's say this is our equation number 2. Now I will write our equation x cube plus m times x plus n equal to 0, or I can write by passing x equal to a cube plus m times a plus n equal to 0. Now our target expression is to find out a power 4. So I need to multiply this equation by a. Similarly, b cube equation would be multiplied by b. Let me write all the three equations. So I will write here a cube plus m times a plus n equal to 0. b cube plus m times b plus n equal to 0. c cube plus m times c plus n equal to 0. Now our target is to find out a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. So I will multiply our first equation by a. second equation by B, third equation by C. So I will write three equations once again. A power 4 plus m times A times A. So ma square plus na equal to 0. Similarly, second equation would be b power 4 plus mb square plus nb equal to 0. Third equation would be c power 4 plus m times c square plus n times c equal to 0. Now we are going to add these three equations. So I will calculate a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 value from here. So let me simplify LHS. M is looking common. So in the bracket we will write a square plus b square plus c square. Then we will take n common out. In bracket we will write a plus b plus c. RHS is 0. Now a square plus b square plus c square. This was minus of 2m. A plus b plus c. This was 0. So I will write here a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4 minus 2m square equal to 0. Or I can write the value of a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. This is 2m square. Now we have to calculate a power 5 plus b power 5 plus c power 5. So this time I will multiply this equation. First one by a square, second one by b square, third one by c square. Let me write here a cube plus ma plus n equal to 0, b cube plus mb plus n equal to 0, c cube plus m times c plus n equal to 0. Now first equation will multiply by a square as we are calculating a power 5 plus b power 5 plus c power 5. This will multiply by b square. Third one will multiply by c square. Let's multiply. We will get a power 5 plus ma times a square, ma cube, n times a square, na square equal to 0. Second equation b power 5 plus m times b cube plus n times b square equal to 0. And third equation will be c power 5 plus m times c cube plus n times c square equal to 0. Now we have to add all the three equations. So we will calculate from here a power 5 plus b power 5 plus c power 5. Then we have to write here m times a cube plus b cube plus c cube, then plus n times in the bracket a square plus b square plus c square equal to 0. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube, this was minus 3 times n. A square plus b square plus c square minus 2 times m. So we can write here a power 5 plus b power 5 plus c power 5 minus 3mn minus 2mn equal to 0. Or I can write a power 5 plus b power 5 plus c power 5 minus 5mn equal to 0. So the value of a power 5 plus b power 5 plus c power 5 will be equal to 5 times m times n. Now we have to prove that. So I will consider LHS. I will write expression once, LHS expression. This was a cube plus b cube plus c cube whole square. Then we have a power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4. Denominator is a power 5 plus b power 5 plus c power 5 whole square. Now we have to apply all the values. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3n. Then we will put power 2. A power 4 plus b power 4 plus c power 4, 2m square. Denominator will be a power 5 plus b power 5 plus c power 5, 5mn. And then we will put power 2. So minus square is plus. So I will write here 9n square. Then we have 2m square in the numerator. So let me write here 9n square times 2m square in the numerator. Denominator is 5mn whole square. So I can write 25m square n square. These two we will cancel from the numerator. So we will be getting 18 over 25. I can write here, hence proof. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Bye bye.